When you think of millionaire, what comes to mind? Luxury cars, expensive homes in exclusive areas, designer clothes, vacations that most of us could only dream of. That's totally understandable. It's the image that society has fed us from an early age.
So follow me up.
Yes, I love my shoes, I have my jewelry. I miss in the Instagram world.
Like the Romans.
First movie is
Gatsby.
here in my garage.
What's up, everyone? My name is Brian. Welcome to my channel and to one of my income streams, my grocery store. The unfortunate reality to this image that we've been fed, it simply sets an unhealthy, unrealistic expectation for those that are trying to reach financial freedom. It inflates the image of what financial independence really looks like, and it downplays the amount of work that it takes to actually accomplish it. Becoming a self-made millionaire requires an incredible amount of dedication, discipline, and financial education, and even some luck. And this materialistic image of the average millionaire, it's really at odds with the lifestyle required to reach the level of wealth that image portrays. More simply put, you do not get that rich spending your money on the things that make you look that rich. So if the societal image of the average millionaire is wrong, and if the supercar driving, mansion living world traveler isn't the average millionaire, what does the average millionaire actually look like? Well, let's paint a new, more accurate picture for you. According to the Global Wealth Report, there are just over 20 million millionaires in the US. That's around 8.5% of the US population. Just to put that into perspective, that's 1 in every 12 adults in the US. That's a lot. That's a lot of millionaires. That's certainly more than I thought before I started this video. And amazingly, 80% of them are first-generation millionaires. That means they didn't inherit the money. The average millionaire is 49 years old. 60% of millionaires live in a home that's valued at less than $500,000. 50% live in neighborhoods where the average household income is less than $75,000 annually. And their income is only slightly higher than that, with the average millionaire household income being just under $78,000. 86% are married, while 65% are still on their first marriage. 66% own a business. Only 20% consider themselves retired. That means that 80% still go to work every day. 67% spend less than 1 hour a day watching television or online videos. 76% exercise at least 3 days a week. 33% of millionaires claim they only purchase used vehicles, with the most popular millionaire rides being Toyotas and Hondas. Reliability and resale value being noted as the main reason. 90% of millionaires own real estate, but that includes their residence. This profile is a far cry from the Lamborghini and mansion lifestyle that most of us have in our heads. In fact, the profile of the average millionaire doesn't sound all that different from your average coworker. And that's because they're everyday people, just like you and just like me. They started their adult lives with very little money, but they've been smart every step of the way. All it takes is small steps and little wins over a long period of time to get you there. They spend less than they earn, saving and investing on average 24% of their bring home income. And they invest in boring, dependable investments with the help of a financial advisor. Guys, that's the real image of financial freedom in America. That is the real millionaire life. The image that society most often portrays as the millionaire life is really more in line with the Deca millionaire life. And that's someone with a net worth between 10 million and 100 million. And guys, that's a whole different level of wealth. And guys, if that's your goal, it's going to require a whole lot more than just working your regular job and saving and investing. That really is a whole different level of wealth. So the big question is, do you really need the Deca millionaire lifestyle to be happy? Purdue research found that personal well-being and life happiness steadily increases up to an annual income of $75,000, with only marginal improvements in life happiness from $75,000 up to $95,000, with $95,000 being determined as the ideal income for life satisfaction. And now this was interesting. Once that threshold of $95,000 is reached, they found that life happiness and satisfaction actually goes down as income goes up. They theorize that once your basic needs are met up to that $95,000, that the stress associated with managing all of the excess beyond that begins to decrease well-being and happiness. I know a lot of people would like to test that theory. They also found that we're more satisfied by the perceived trajectory of our life than we are with our actual income. For example, a person that works hard and raises their income from $50,000 annually up to $80,000 annually may feel more satisfied in life than a person that actually has a decrease from $250,000 to $225,000, even though the latter earns far more than the former. So it seems that once the necessities are covered, the satisfaction is in the pursuit and the personal growth, not in the money. I would like to suggest what I think is a better definition of rich: the ability to live the life you choose without the worry of money. Meaning, you have enough passive income from your investments that you never have to work another day in your life again, if you don't want to. By this definition, being rich may not really require all that much money. The more frugal your lifestyle is, the easier it would be to consider yourself rich. For some, wealth may mean living in an off-grid cabin and reading books all day, while for others, it may be the Lamborghinis and the mansions. Just as our desires in life differ, so will our requirements for our lifestyle choices. Define what wealth looks like to you and determine how much money you need to live that lifestyle. Build a plan to get there and then get to work implementing it. That's how simple it is to be rich. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please consider liking and hitting that subscribe button. I would sincerely appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.